Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to share invoice on PayPal. So firstly, log into your PayPal account. So I've logged into mine. So now, in order to share invoice, there are two methods. So first method is you can share as you create the invoice. If you need help with creating an invoice, we have a separate video covering on it in our channel. Please do check it if you need help with creating invoice. So the secondly, if you have already created an invoice and you just want to reshare it or resend it to someone else, then all you have to do is once you've logged in, click on Activity tab. So once you click on the Activity tab, find the transaction or the invoice that you created it. So for me on your list, so for me, for example, I created one in the past. This is one of the invoice that I created. So click on it. So click on the details. It's just a demo invoice that I created. Okay, so click on the invoice. So once you click on it, it should open that invoice. So all you can do here now is you can either, all right, send a reminder to the person, whoever you initially sent this invoice to. If that will, so if you click on this remind button here, if you click on it, then it should by default send an email to the person, whoever this invoice was sent to initially. Or else, if you want to send it to someone else or reshare it, then what you have to do is click on these three dots here. So click on that, and you can either download this invoice as a PDF, and then send it to whoever you want in whatever way you want, or else you can click on this share link. So this will generate a link to this invoice, which you can then share it with anyone as you like. So these are the easiest options that you have to share invoice in PayPal. Hope that helps, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.